Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the front wiper motor on this Mitsubishi Lancer Carisma. The reason why we are changing it is that it's burning wiper fuse. So we managed to get one from eBay. This is exact match. It costed us £14. Okay, so we're gonna put that in. So there are four 10mm bolts to remove. One here, one there, one on this side, and one behind this cover. So to start off with, we're going to remove this cover. We'll remove the fuse box cover as well. Okay, so we'll have to remove these two bolts. They are 10mm bolts. So once we remove these two bolts, we'll be able to move the fuse box itself this way so that we can take the cover off. And that's the cover out of the way. So the next bit is to take these four bolts off. So in order to remove this harness here, there's a clip which we undo. There we go. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove this bolt under here. Again, it's a 10mm bolt, one at the bottom. There we go. That's the fourth bolt. So now what we have to do is we've taken all these four bolts off. Now we'll have to remove this plenum cover here and the wiper blades to get to the nut at the back. So this is how it looks. So we need to get to this nut here at the back. So the location for that is from here. Just gonna remove the dust caps. One here and one here. It's a 13mm socket we're gonna use to undo the two nuts to release the wiper arms. Just gonna do this one now, the passenger side. We're just gonna tap it a bit. There we go. That's one arm freed. Just gonna do the same here. Just gonna tap it a bit. There we go. Nice and easy. So you don't have to take the nut completely off. You do that once the arm is free from the from the stud. Right, so the next bit is to remove all these grommets which are securing the plenum cover. There's one here. There we go. There's one here. Just gonna put my finger on the top so that it doesn't fly off. There we go. One here. There we go. One here. There we go. Now there are two grommets here, the small ones. We'll have to take them off as well. Just gonna lift this side. There we go. These are the small grommets, and now the plenum cover should just pull off. There we go. That's the whole of the plenum cover out. Right friends, in order to remove the nut which is securing the motor to the wiper swing arm, so it's a 13mm nut we need to undo. There we go friends. I've loosened the nut. So now what I'm gonna do is okay, so just gonna remove this from here. So the next what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the position like this. Okay, like this, and we're gonna tap it gently so that we can release it from here. This is how the arm position is at the moment, like this. Okay, so we're just gonna fit the new motor in that position. Just gonna tap it gently. There we go. That just came off. So just remember the position. Arm position was like this. So that's the old motor which is blowing the fuse out of the way. The second hand motor comes in place like this. Okay, just gonna make sure that it's at the right angle, this angle. So just gonna place the nut back in. So we're gonna keep the same position as it was on the old motor, and with the ratchet I'm gonna come in from inside. There we go. That's good enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna insert the motor back here. into the slot, 4 bolts. This motor looks a bit old, but it's the functionality of it which matters. So just placing the bolts at the moment, and then I'm gonna secure it all at once. Right, just gonna secure the connector before I tighten the bolts. There we go, that's fully in. Right, we are using the hammer socket to tighten these 4 bolts. Just a reminder, we got this motor, second-hand motor from eBay for £13. One here. That's good enough. And the last one under here. There we go, that's nice and tight. That's all 4 bolts secured. Right, so the next bit is to place the cover like this, like that. There we go. So that's how the cover gets fitted. Now we're gonna secure the fuse box, 2 10mm bolts, securing it. There we go. There we go, that's good enough. That's nicely secured. Just gonna place the cover back on. That's nicely in place. The final bit is to put the plenum cover back. Right, here comes the plenum cover. This side nicely home. So just gonna do the other side now. There we go, friends. Just gonna push in the grommet. That's one. We're just gonna place in one grommet here. Right, one grommet here. One here. Hear the click. One comes in place here. One here. And one here. Okay. So now we're gonna secure the wiper arms. That's the final bit we need to do. Right, just gonna secure the wiper arms now. That is the final bit we need to do. So just gonna place make sure that we're just gonna make sure that we're gonna keep it to where it was before, the position wise. 13 mil nut, one here. Just gonna hold it here. There we go, friends. That's good enough. Okay, just gonna place the dust cap back on. Now we're gonna do the passenger side wiper on. So again, we're gonna keep it where it was before, the position, the 13 mil nut. There we go. That's nice and tight. And the final bit is to do the dust cap.